So hello, my name is Saransh and I'm a second year student of electrical engineering studying in IIT Gandhinagar.
Hi, I'm Shambhavi Agrawal and I'm doing my second year BTech in Electrical Engineering at IIT Gandhinagar.
So initially we went through a lot of other designs of the Micromouse that had already been made. So it was a lot of research. Basically, what could be the best motors, what could be the best final design that we could have, for prototype, like what should we go with first. So there are a lot of trade-offs that we have to make in that. Suppose a motor is very powerful but it's also very heavy. It has a high torque but a very low RPM. So there are a lot of constraints, small constraints like this. Then what, like, do you want to use an Arduino or do you want to go with an ESP? We even thought of STM, which we could not figure out. But obviously, so there are a lot of parameters we thought about initially. Then obviously we first thought that we would test everything on Arduino, as that is really easy. So that's the one thing that we went ahead with, and then finally we went over with ESP. So like this is what roughly our design phase was like.
So like Saransh said, that our design phase included a lot of research. We went through a lot of YouTube channels, a lot of other people who made micromouses. Because micromouse has a size constraint, you can't make bigger than about 10 by 10 centimeters. And there's a lot of weight and other constraints because it has to go really, really fast. In fact, so fast that people put vacuums on top of it so that it doesn't skid and fall. Also, the shape matters very much. For example, this is a little bit streamlined, not exactly streamlined, so that will help a little for the movement of the Micromouse. So all in all, design phase was very difficult because this was something we were doing for the first time. For example, the PCB design, any sort of PCB design I've done for the first time, and this was in fact a double layer PCB design, which is comparatively more difficult to make and to solder on as well.
Hello, I'm Hitesh. I'm from Haryana, currently in Computer Science and Engineering Department in second year.
Hello, I am Shaurya Patel. I am from Gujarat and I am second year undergrad in Mechanical Engineering Department.
So we started early January and after working out the components and materials that we will require in this particular project, we made a bill of materials, all of them, and after getting all of the materials, we get a breadboard to assemble all of the components together and made our first prototype on that breadboard and checked whether all of the components are working and integrated together properly. And after working out the breadboard,
After that, we finally printed our PCB and we get our final and last prototype that you can see here.
Yeah, my name is Aditya Mehta. My teammate is Aditya Bajeria, and our team name is Team Alpha. Yeah, the Makers One provides a lots of facilities and which are good. Also, I'm very thankful to Anirudh sir, especially Popul Bhaiya, who helped me in the PCB prototyping, which was the most basic part of the robot which we made. And also all the parts were available very easily, and with 3D printed the parts, we never faced any difficulty in doing that stuff.